Have you ever seen a lake so green it looks like a giant emerald dropped from the sky? If you've been to Gia Lai, you probably know the answer. For everyone else, let me introduce you to Binh, the stunning eye of Pleiku. This place is more than just a beautiful sight. It's a journey into the heart of Vietnam's central highlands. Today, we're diving deep into this volcanic crater lake, exploring ancient cultures, tasting incredible food, and discovering why this hidden gem should be at the very top of your travel list. Binh, which literally means sea lake, was formed from an extinct volcano millions of years ago. The local Jrai people have another name for it, Da Nang Lake. For them, this isn't just a body of water. It's a sacred place filled with legends and stories passed down through generations. Standing here, looking at the calm, crystal clear surface, reflecting the endless pine forests, and the vast blue sky, you can feel a sense of peace that's hard to find anywhere else. The air is fresh, the scenery is breathtaking, and you immediately understand why it's called the Pearl of the Pleiku Plateau. The journey to Binh is an experience in itself. As you drive out from Pleiku City, the urban landscape slowly gives way to rolling hills and lush greenery. The road leading to the lake is lined with towering pine trees, forming a natural archway that feels like you're entering a different world. There's a beautiful stone staircase that takes you down to a viewpoint, offering a panoramic vista of the entire lake. This is the perfect spot to take your first photos and just soak it all in. The water is so clear you can see the reflection of the clouds, and the surrounding forests create a perfect, serene frame. But Binh is just the beginning of our Gia Lai adventure. This region is home to the Jrai and Bana ethnic communities, who have rich and vibrant cultures that are deeply connected to the land. Visiting a local village is like stepping back in time. You'll see traditional stilt houses, intricately woven textiles, and hear the unique sounds of their gongs and musical instruments. The people here are incredibly warm and welcoming. They are proud of their heritage and are often happy to share their customs, stories, and way of life with respectful visitors. If you get the chance, witnessing a traditional ceremony or a gong performance is an unforgettable experience. The rhythmic beats echo through the mountains, telling stories of harvests, festivals, and community bonds. One of the most captivating parts of their culture is the folklore. The legend of Da Nang Lake itself is a tragic and beautiful love story. It tells of a prosperous village that was suddenly buried by volcanic activity, and the tears of the survivors created the lake we see today. Hearing these stories from a village elder, with the lake as a backdrop, adds a layer of magic and history to the landscape. It reminds you that this place is not just scenery. It's a living museum, holding the memories and soul of the people who have called it home for centuries. Now, let's talk about something else Gia Lai is famous for. Its food and drink. The region's volcanic soil is perfect for growing some of the best coffee and tea in Vietnam. Just a short drive from Binh, you'll find sprawling tea plantations that stretch as far as the eye can see. Walking through the rows of neatly trimmed tea bushes is so relaxing. The air is filled with the fresh scent of tea leaves, and you can often see workers skillfully handpicking the best ones. Many plantations offer tours where you can learn about the entire process, from harvesting to drying, and of course, you get to sample some of the freshest tea you've ever tasted. It's a perfect way to spend a peaceful afternoon. And for the foodies, you cannot leave Gia Lai without trying its most famous dish, pho co, or dry pho. Unlike the noodle soup you might be used to, pho co is served in two separate bowls. One bowl contains the pho noodles with toppings like shredded chicken or beef, herbs, and crispy fried shallot. The other bowl holds a rich, flavorful broth. You dip the noodles into the broth with each bite, creating a perfect combination of textures and flavors. It's savory, it's fresh, and it's absolutely delicious. You can find it everywhere, from street food stalls to local restaurants, and it's a true taste of the Central Highlands. If you're planning a trip here and want to see all these amazing spots, I've put together a detailed guide with a sample itinerary, locations, and contact information for local guides in the description below. It has everything you need to plan your own adventure to Binh and the surrounding areas. Just click the link to check it all out. So, what about the budget? You, LL. Be happy to know that Gia Lai is one of the more affordable travel destinations in Vietnam. A typical budget for a trip here can be quite reasonable. For accommodation, you You can find nice guest houses or budget hotels in Pleiku for around $15 to $25 a night. Food is incredibly cheap. A delicious bowl of foco will only cost you about $2. For transportation, renting a motorbike is the best way to explore, and it usually costs around $5 to $7 per day. So, for a 3-day trip, you could easily get by on a budget of around $100 to $150 per person, including food, accommodation, and transport. Of course, this can vary depending on your travel style, but it gives you a good idea of how accessible this amazing region is. As our day of exploration comes to an end, there's one last experience you absolutely cannot miss. Watching the sunset over Binho. Find a quiet spot along the shore, maybe on the steps of the viewing platform or a hidden corner along the path. As the sun begins to dip below the horizon, it paints the sky in fiery shades of orange, pink, and purple. The colors reflect on the calm surface of the lake, creating a mirror image of the sky's masterpiece. The entire landscape is bathed in a warm, golden light, intense moment with the cool mountain breeze on your skin and the sounds of nature around you. Everything else just fades away. It's a moment of pure magic, a perfect end to a perfect day. It's a reminder of the simple, profound beauty that nature offers, and it's a memory that will stay with you long after you've left. From the emerald waters of Binho and the ancient culture of the Jrai people, to the endless green tea fields, and the unforgettable taste of dry food, Gia Lai is a destination that truly has it all. It offers adventure, culture, relaxation, and some of the most stunning landscapes in Southeast Asia. It is a place that touches your soul and leaves you with a deeper appreciation for the beauty and diversity of our world. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual journey to the heart of Vietnam's Central Highlands. I hope this inspired you to add Gia Lai to your travel bucket list. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more adventures like this one, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next trip. Until next time, happy travels.